Hello everyone, welcome to this brief phase on brainstorming. Today we are going to be going over 9 key tips that you need to know before writing anything for an essay assignment. So far, we've been able to go over a lot of different ideas in the last few phases of essay writing.
Finding sources, and analyzing text. If you feel that you want to know more about these subjects before moving on, links are available in the upper right corner.
Now, let's get on to those 9 tips that everyone should know before they start writing an essay.
1. First drafts are all about quantity, not quality.
The act of getting words on the page is more important than quality at times, in order to make sure that you do not procrastinate.
Number 2. To use what words and information you know best to create a solid essay. You can always go back to edit if you feel that you want to sound more professional. Number 3. You don't have to force creativity. Take breaks from different sections and come back to them later. Number 4. Depending on your approach, you can be an objective writer or a subjective writer. One should not be without the other. Make sure to balance how you feel with what you know for sure. Then, when you write, make sure to write in a way that respects how others feel and makes sense based on logic. Number 5. Whenever you feel like you're getting off topic, think about the thesis. Use the thesis to determine your focus, direction, and purpose when writing. Number 6. Familiarize yourself with the terminology for your subject so that you can understand and apply it to your descriptions. This way, you can showcase how well you researched the topic. Number 7. One way to write an essay is to start by creating an outline. This way is best when you have to follow a prompt or have logical steps and ideas that contribute to a main idea. Number 8. Another way is to simply start with your topic in mind and writing everything that comes to mind from there. You waste no time thinking about grammar, style, organization, quotes, or anything. Number 9. In a previous video, I mentioned how you can write your paraphrases, quotes, and summaries on your notes, and then copy and paste them to make an essay. This is great if you are able to plan your thesis and organization early on.
These are some tips that could be applied to any kind of writing assignment. As a result, I hope that you start using these tips in order to become more of a proficient writer. With that in mind, I will say goodbye and see you in the next video. My name is Mark Maslar, and these are the 7 phases of great essay writing. Happy writing, everyone.